There goes Carlo Rani. Carlo Biligan. Wait! Escape. Pero, Carlo, intercepted ka. Carlo, passing it to Marcelino. Marcelino Biligan. Kanya makatayo Marcelino to the pass. I love it. There goes. Corner. There comes Pasante. Passing it to the middle. Underneath. Follow back by Marcelino. And Marcelino knows it. There goes 7 seconds left. There goes Marcelino. 3 seconds. Number 15. And Marcelino again. Penetrate. Back to Marcelino. And there goes back to Marcelino. There goes Capula losing the handles. 6:25.